Geodesy. Scientific discipline dealing with Earth's measurement and representation. Eratosthenes. Greek scholar who estimated Earth's size using shadow in cyan. Ptolemy. Cartographer who made influential world maps in the Middle Ages. Homer. First proponent of a disc-shaped Earth. Pythagoras. First proponent of a sphere-shaped Earth. Alberuni. Estimated Earth radius using dip angles and Nov signs. Willibrord Snellius. Conducted first triangulation to determine Earth's figure. Sir Isaac Newton. Hypothesized Earth's oblate spheroid shape. Jean-Dominique Cassini. Hypothesized Earth's prolate spheroid shape. Jean Richer. Discovered gravity increase from equator to poles. Pierre-Simon Laplace. Introduced study of spherical harmonics and invented heliotrope. Alexis Claude Clairaut. Created a theorem for computing flattening from gravity measurements. Friedrich Robert Helmert. Established geodesy as a proper science. Carl Gauss. Introduced the concept of the geoid. Sir George Airy. Presented Earth's spheroparameters for national mapping in Great Britain. Oblate spheroid. Earth's shape with shorter polar axis than equatorial axis by about 21 kilometers. Geoid. Irregular Earth's surface at mean sea level, perpendicular to gravity. Ellipsoids. Mathematically defined reference surfaces for geodetic computations. Flattening. Measure of compression of a circle or sphere to form an ellipsoid. First flattening. Second flattening. Measure of compression of a sphere to form a spheroid. Third, flattening. Measure of compression of a sphere to form an ellipsoid. Eccentricity. Parameter associated with every conic section. First, eccentricity. Denoted as E, a type of eccentricity in geometric geodesy. Second, eccentricity. Denoted as E, another form of eccentricity in geodesy. Linear eccentricity. Eccentricity denoted as E in geometric geodesy. Angular eccentricity. Eccentricity represented by the symbol. Geodetic latitude. Angle between the normal to the ellipsoid and the equatorial plane. Geocentric latitude. Angle at the ellipse center between the equator plane and the point 9. Reduced latitude. Angle at the sphere's center tangent to the ellipsoid at the equator. Arctic circle. Northernmost point where noon sun is visible on winter solstice. Tropic of Cancer. Northernmost latitude where the sun can be directly overhead. Equator. Circle equidistant from north and south poles dividing Earth. Tropic of Capricorn. Southernmost declination of the sun's ecliptic to the celestial equator. Antarctic circle. Southernmost major circle of latitude on Earth. Meridional section. Plane through a point and the two poles with radius of curvature m. Prime vertical section. Section through a point perpendicular to the meridional section with radius n. Radius of curvature of normal sections at any azimuth. Radius of parallel. Formula for the radius of a parallel circle. Length of parallel arcade. Measurement of the arc length of a parallel circle. Gaussian mean radius. Mean radius used in Gaussian curvature calculations. Radii of spherical approximation to the Earth. Mean radius of the Earth approximated as a sphere. Mean sea level. Tidal datum averaging hourly water elevations over a 19-year cycle. Datum. Reference quantity for other measurements in geodesy. Reference system. Prescriptions defining a triad of coordinate axes. Reference frame. Realizes a reference system through definite point coordinates.